What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little something different going on today. I am trying out the rear rack setup that I got for the Flex. I threw my GoPro back there, the Max, the 360 cam, and I've got my other GoPro here on the front handlebars facing me with the media mod to catch a good audio. And I figured I'd give this setup a try and see how it looks for vlogging and things like that. I have a feeling it might be better for like when I do group rides, because that way you see like the scale and scope of how many people are there and everything, whereas this setup might not be great for like regular rides where you kind of want to see the road closer and feel the speed and everything. So I'm just doing like a loop around the block to kind of get some footage and see what I think. I might raise and lower the pole a little bit in the back to see how it looks with the like more of a chase look, closer down towards me. Right now I have it at like midway up, maybe yeah, it looks like it's right at the back of my head. I might have to raise it a little bit. It might be too, it might be in like the weird spot right now. Let me bring it up a little more to the top. All right, I'm at maximum distance right now on the pole. Should be pretty secure, more secure than when I did it on that last big group ride. I had a different kind of bracket and mounting setup for that. So today is a really beautiful day. It's gonna be 60 today. I know there's some people meeting up at Pier 17 at like, I don't know, maybe 11:30 to do some sort of ride out to like Sunset Park or Industry City, one of those. I don't think I'm gonna go to that. I'm probably gonna give the cake dealer a ride to a food show. I'm not gonna go to the food show. It's at the Javits Center. What I'm gonna do is try to get a little bit of running in, check out this footage, charge the bike, and then get back out and meet up with some of the Queens guys, maybe hit a brewery. It's Sunday, it's beautiful. It's the kind of day where you just kind of want to chill. I'm on the avenue now. I'm on D at 6th Street. I'm just gonna roll by and see. You know, we might have Davey might be out. He's usually out on these nice days. There might be some people hanging out on the avenue, getting ready for this ride. And then I'll switch back down to like chase mode on the camera. See how that looks. Oh, I don't see Davey. All right. Alright, I'm going to switch this camera angle up. Alright, so now I got like a low angle behind me. I figured this is like a chase, the camera angle world. They call this chase. So it could look cool. I don't know if I got plumber's crack. We'll see. I didn't put a belt on. More worried about the front camera though, because it's the way I got it set up is like the media mod is a bit chunky, and so the little screw that you tighten down your GoPro with to the mount, it's really hard to get in there, and I don't have that little tool that cranks it down. So it's looser than I like. But at least it's good to get a sense of whether this is going to work or not. I could always get one of those tightening screws, or maybe there's a longer bolt that sticks out further. As for the rear camera, that is going to be also dual purpose. I'll be able to fly a flag on that pole too. This is super. Got some tunes going. All right, 6th Street. I think I'll just keep going down C. It is gorgeous today. I don't even have gloves on. It's so nice. Yeah, I can't wait to get out and ride with the boys, with the NYCZoozClub. It's going to be fun. Alright, I'm going to take this over. I'm going to cut left on House and get over to near the bridge, a little straightaway down the highway. I'm going to raise the pole back up too. Heading east on Houston now. I'm going to run this over to FDR. It rained a lot yesterday. I'm actually surprised there's not tons of puddles on the ground. It drained out pretty quickly considering all that rain we had. It was like all day, the entire day raining. And downpour. Alright, I'm going to pull up to this light, raise the pole a little more. Pulled it up a little bit at the corner there. Adjust my front camera again. It's annoying. Okay. All right. Last stretch here. It's not going to be a long video. Just want to test out the cameras. There's always a car on this rip. I always want to try to get max speed here, but there's always a car. Bumps toward the end are annoying too, though. All right, one more spin around here with the test video footage that I've got going on here. The new rear rack mount camera footage needed another spin. I forgot to put it on hero mode, which is the 360 mode for that top camera up there. And I got a little bit of a more sturdy mount here on the front. So, giving it a shot. See how it goes. And I'm also going to fly the flag on the rear pole as well. So right now I'm going to spin this around up to Houston Street and back. Short ride. Just to see how it all fits together. And then I'll put the flag on the pole and do the same ride again to see how that works. I've been having an issue with the flag because it all gets bunched up toward the top when I ride. So I need like a weight to hold down the bottom of the flag. along the pole, because it keeps riding up the pole and getting bunched up at the top of the pole. Either that, I either need like a weight, or I need like something to rubber band or a clip around the pole itself to prevent the flag from sliding up on the bottom. It's a strange problem, but it'll be solved. If not on this run, then on the next one. I'm going to switch the camera positions too when I run the flag up the pole, and put the 360 on the front here. And I don't know, maybe I'll just throw the regular camera in my pocket so I can get some audio. All right, heading over to the FDR now. A lot of people on the street. Looks like school just let out. All right, coming up on FDR Drive in Houston. Get around this guy. It's still pretty warm out. It's windy, but it's in the 50s. Let me give this a second here. There we go. But it is getting cloudy. I think it's going to rain all week, so I figured it would be good to get this footage in, this test footage in now, before the rain screws up my plans for the whole week. I doubt there's going to be an Electric Wednesday. It's probably going to rain on Wednesday. Dead bird. A lot of traffic, so I'm not getting high speeds here, but the view should be nice. I got the flag in my pocket. I'm gonna pull over up here, pause the video, and put the flag up on the pole, switch the cameras around, and see what we can come up with. I'm hoping it looks nice. I mean, I got like 10 minutes of footage the other way. I forgot to turn on hero mode, like I was saying. I forgot to turn on 360 mode. So it does look cool. It's different, but it still looks pretty cool, I guess. All right, let me pull over up here and switch everything around. Pause the cameras and set up the flag. Okay, I have no idea if any of this is going to hold up nice, or if this flag is going to get bunched up again. I have my GoPro with the media mod in my front pocket, hopefully getting decent audio for this. The GoPro Max Hero Mode 360 cam is on the handlebars. It's notoriously bad at getting audio. I mean, it'll work in a pinch, but I'd rather get it with the Hero 10 that I have in my pocket. So the flag is flying. I have a little bit of a weight on it. I found like an old nut that I wasn't using for anything, so I tied that to the bottom. I also rubber banded it and snaked it around the pole, cinched it up tight. So hopefully it will not bunch up. It looks decent right now. I don't know if you can see it over my shoulder there. If I crouch. Can you see that? I mean, hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it's flying nicely. I think it is. I mean, we'll see. We'll see when I get this baby home. Check out the footage. It's important to get this thing right because we got a lot of group rides coming up this season. The weather's going to be beautiful again soon, and the Zoos Club is growing. Every year we're getting more and more people, a lot of active riders, a lot of cool people, a lot of good people, And instead of just going on group rides, you know, like with Kelvin from Super 73, we're gonna start doing our own. And this is like the perfect way to kind of set the standard for what these rides are gonna look like. You know, a flag bearer up in front. Mail truck in the way. A flag bearer up in front, you know, and just Zoos dudes. We're gonna take it easy too. We're not gonna be doing like high speed, long stretches without any breaks or stops. Our guys like the breweries. We're gonna stop at breweries. We're gonna stop at places to eat, bars, stuff with good outdoor seating, good visibility to the bikes, so that we don't have to worry about bringing a lot of locks with us and stuff. So it's gonna be a good season. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too. If you're thinking about getting a Zoos, shoot me some questions, ask me anything. I'm not a hard salesman, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna try to pitch you on something you don't want. If you like the Zoos and you have questions and you're thinking about getting it, or if you're like trying to figure out, oh, which one do I get? Talk to me. You know, we're gonna shoot straight with you. I'm not like looking to make tons of money. I'm not looking to make sales for the sake of sales, you know? I don't make that much money from it, you know? You know, I mean, I get like a little bit of a kickback here and there. But these bikes are so much fun. They really speak for themselves. Man, I cannot wait for this season. It's gonna be great. All right, just ripping through here, going under the Williamsburg Bridge. I'm gonna pull up here, stop, check out this footage. Hopefully it's nice. It looks like the flag is still flying. It's not bunched up at the top. So whatever I'm doing is working. I'll have to repeat that next time I fly it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family. And as usual, make sure you tell your fucking grandma.